Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to SOS Math 504. I am Esther Orellana. Today, we are going to learn about the type of fractions, proper and improper fractions, and mixed numbers. We have some examples here. 3/4 is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. So we have examples here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all of them are proper fractions. Check this out. The numerator is less than the denominator, but we can figure out easily how to represent 14 out of 16 if we reduce these in lowest terms. If we simplify, these two numbers are divisible by 2. If I divide by 2, the numerator and the denominator, I can write 14 divided by 2 is 7. 18 divided by 2 is 8. The second fraction, 7/8, is easier to represent than 14/16. If I have 17/51, I can divide by 17. 17 divided by 17 is 1, and 51 divided by 17 is 3. See, this is a very small fraction. In number 3, these two numbers are in the table of 5. So if I divide by 5, the numerator and the denominator, I can simplify this proper fraction, saying 5 divided by 5 is 1, 20 divided by 5 is 4. In the next one, these two numbers are in the table of 6, and 6/24 is a proper fraction. If I divide the numerator and the denominator by 6, my answer would be 6 divided by 6 is 1, 24 divided by 6 is 4. So these are proper fractions in simplest form. We have here an example of improper fraction. Improper fractions have the numerator greater than the denominator. 7 is greater than 4. That means that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. So if I add 4 fourths plus 3 fourths, I have 7 fourths, or 1 and 3/4. If we think about cookies, this can be one cookie and 1, 2, 3 pieces of a complete cookie. So that is 1 and 3/4. That is what we call a mixed number. These two examples here are improper fractions. Why? Because I have 46 that is greater than 7. See, numerator is greater than the denominator. And 30 is greater than 8. If we want to change this as a mixed number, we can divide. We divide 46 divided by 7. If I divide 46 by 7, my answer is 6. 6 times 7, 42. Now we subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is my remainder. How do I write that then? I will write 6 and 4, 7. That is the answer, changing one improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's do the number 2. 30 divided by 8. 30 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 8, 24. I subtract, and the answer is 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 3, 6, that is the remainder, over 8. But I cannot leave the answer this way. Why not? Because 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. I need to have this mixed number completely simplified. So I'm going to write 3. And I'm going to divide the 6 and the 8 by 2. 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. So my answer will be 3. 3 over 4. This is the mixed number that is represented by 38. Let's do some more examples. Let's practice with more examples. Let's write. That would be number 3. Let's write 35 over 20. And we're gonna have here number 4. That would be 65 over 32. And let's write another one. 5, that would be 72 over 18. If we want to write this in as a mixed number, we need to divide. We can simplify. These two numbers are divisible by 5, so I can write 35 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5. And my answer will be 35 divided by 5 is 7, 20 divided by 5 is 4. This is an improper fraction. We can write 7, 4 as a mixed number if we divide. 7 divided by 4 is 1, and the remainder is 3 over 4. Let's check. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. This 35 20s, that is an improper fraction, can be written as a mixed number 1, 3 over 4. The next one, 65 divided 65 divided by 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. So let's write 2 times 32 is 64. We subtract and the answer is 1. 1 as the remainder. So I will write here 2 as the whole number and 1 over 32 as the denominator. This is a mixed number. So we can write mixed numbers from improper fractions. Let's do the next one. We can divide by 18. 72 divided by 18. 72 divided by 18. And 18 divided by 18. What I do in the numerator must be done in the denominator. So the answer here is 4 over 1, or just 4 as a whole number. And also we can write from a mixed number and improper fraction. We're going to write mixed numbers as improper fractions in the next lesson. So we are going to stop here. That will be the class for today. Thanks for your attention. If you like the video, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share, write a comment. SOS Math 504 is a non-profit channel. It's free for everyone, anywhere. Oh, thank you for your attention.